Study point. In this video, we'll talk about the introduction of Python language. So Python language is a high-level programming language and it was created by Guido von Rossum in the year 1991. And it is a very simple language. If you are a beginner, want to learn some programming language, so it's a quick start for you to learn Python language because it has lots of feature. It integrates the system more efficiently, and there are two major versions of Python language, that is 2 and 3, and it is a object oriented language. So we'll talk about the features of Python, that it is very easy to learn. You have to focus on the logic of your program instead of the syntax, because the syntax is very easy in that. And second most important thing, it is free. You don't have to pay anything to use the Python. You can freely install it on your system. It is open source. Open source means that you can change the code of this programming language, add your new inventions, your creativity, and you can release the new version of that. It is also cross-platform. You can run the bytecode of Python programs on any machine. So it is platform independent. Now it is readable. Readability is very clear if anyone is reading your program. Memory management is very easy in comparison to C++. In those languages, garbage collection and memory management was a difficult task. So it is handled in Python very easily. And also the amazing feature is that it has a very large standard library, so you can import any pre-written code in your program and save your most time by focusing on the logic of your program. And if some error or bug arises in your program, so there is a set that concept called exception handling, so you can deal with the errors if it arise in your program. So the overall view of Python program includes it is easy to learn, use, it's an expressive language, interpreted language, free and open source, and it also has a GUI based graphical user interface. So we'll talk about applications of Python program. It has a wide range of applications. It is used in artificial intelligence, games development, business application. It is used in networking, database access on the server side, also in the software development, and many companies are using Python, and it is in trend, and it is also including in the curriculum of the academics. So it is very important and interesting language. So if you want to see the full series of Python programming, please press the bell icon on my channel to receive the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please share, like, and subscribe it.